If you still believe the Earth is a globe in 2026, then you need to watch this. Have you ever wondered why nobody, literally nobody, has ever crossed the South Pole and popped out on the other side of the world? Think about it. We've got GPS, satellites, billionaires in space, but the South Pole, off limits? Why? Because what they call the South Pole might actually be the biggest flat Earth proof, hiding in plain sight. We're told Earth is a spinning ball with Antarctica as a frozen continent at the bottom. But if that's true, shouldn't people be able to fly straight across the South Pole and keep going? You can book a flight over the North Pole, no problem, but try booking one across the South Pole. You can't, they don't exist. Instead, every so-called Antarctic expedition goes to one tiny base camp, plants a flag, and calls it science. And don't even get me started on the Antarctic Treaty, the only treaty in history signed by nearly every nation on Earth, saying nobody can freely explore it. Why is this one patch of frozen desert the most protected place on the planet? What are they hiding? Flat Earth researchers say it's because Antarctica isn't a continent at the bottom of a ball. It's the edge, the outer boundary of our world. On a flat Earth map, Antarctica isn't a little island at the bottom. It's a massive ice wall encircling us, holding the oceans in. Suddenly, the no-fly zone and the mysterious treaty make perfect sense. Instead of letting us explore, they keep us trapped in the globe narrative while quietly locking down the one place that could blow the entire lie wide open. And here's the wild part. Flight paths in the southern hemisphere prove it. If Earth were a globe, flying from South America to Australia should be a straight shot over the South Pole. But in reality, those flights detour north, sometimes thousands of miles out of the way. Why? Because you can't fly over something that doesn't exist the way they told us it does. Even Admiral Richard Byrd, a US Navy officer who led multiple Antarctic expeditions, admitted there was land beyond the pole bigger than the United States. Wait, land beyond the pole? On a ball? That doesn't even make any sense at all. But on a flat Earth, it fits perfectly. So here's the question. Is Antarctica really a continent? Or is it the wall concealing a truth far greater than we were ever meant to discover? If this video challenges what you thought you knew, hit follow right now.